Well, first of all, I'll start off by saying it was not really a fantastic childhood in terms of growing up in a post-conflict country, Liberia, where my country went through 14 years of civil devastation, and it was actually a very rough one. It was not all glamorous, but I really do appreciate that I can be able to put a smile on the face of someone just before the end of the day. Young people can be used to bring about conflict, if young people can be used to foment violence and conflict, the very same young people can be used to bring about peace. A team of young people, a network of young people who are championing the issues of peace and security. They are volunteering for peace and security in local communities, and especially also involving what we call former fighters as well. So young people who one way or the other participated in Saver Crisis. We usually say we are there to rebrand the image of young people. So rebranding the image of young people, we are not holding our young friends responsible because one way or the other they were influenced, to participate in Saver Crisis. So our work at Messengers of Peace is to see how we rebrand that image of the young generation, that no longer they will be referred to as lost generation, no longer they will be referred to as people who participated in Civil War, and that's the negative connotation to them, but it's to be able to change the narrative, that particular concept, and rebrand them in a way that they will be now called peace messengers. They will be referred to as people who can contribute meaningfully to societal good, and that's what we do usually with the Messengers of Peace. Over to city and really going in depth into the whole human rights conversation. It's something what I always talk about. Nowadays what is trending, the issue of migration. We're talking about open borders and all of these things, and that's something that was able to take me down, through city to really go in depth to understand, so that by the time you get out there and start to advocate, so it's not just advocacy. At this point I usually say I advocate, yes, but leaving city, it will be a point where it's not just to be advocating, but to be able to implement and influence a lot of policies. I see the country where the young people are the ones leading and transforming things in a society. I see a country where if any young person from Liberia stand out, definitely they will not be recognized for the troubled past, but they will be recognized as an emblem and a symbol of peace.